You're really here, Motto!
Huh? Well, yeah, I am. But why is that so shocking? Wait, do I have something on my face?
No, it's just, I saw a white dragon descend in a land with an eternal rainbow that never fades. Near a spot with flowers, that's where it happens. In that place, I saw the white dragon go after Klook. No way! Not Klook!
You're wrong!
What should I tell her? How can I explain this? Well, for right now, it doesn't matter. We just have to get her to someplace safe. Klook! Quick, come on!
What?
She's right! It's way too dangerous here!
Too dangerous?
Oh, I'll explain everything to you later, but for now, trust us. We have to get out of here.
All right. But what's going on, you guys?
Noe, do you think you'll be able to find the location of the Legion's base?
Yes. This device is called the Mass Driver, and it seems to be a system for launching a ship into the sky. I'm guessing that it automatically locates the position of the base, and then it navigates the ship directly to it. With this thing, we can reach the Sky Castle, and the Legion as well.
All right, Noe, let's do this.
I'm already on it. All I have to do now is get into the Mass Driver's central system and prep the ship for launch. Well, that, and hope that Shu and the others make it here safely.
We are all counting on you, Noe.
We've learned that the humans have activated the mass driver in Zamei.
Then that means the humans intend on coming to this castle to attack us. What are you saying now, Rotorace? I can't believe that after this news, you're still hesitant about destroying mankind.
Surely you can see it, can't you? These humans, they intend to destroy us.
If that is true, Rudolph, I think we should then go destroy the mass driver in Zamei.
No, that isn't necessary. What's important now is to pick up where we left off. That's where we must focus our energy. Rotorace, you're to go to the lower world. Take control of mankind's destruction.
Fine.
And don't even think of going easy on them.
This is the mission you have been assigned, and you will fulfill it. Is that understood, Rotorace?
Bouquet, I think it's time you told me what this is about. I was right in the middle of something when I ran into you guys. I left Andropov waiting for me.
Okay, we'll tell you, Klook.
Motto!
No, it's okay. We're far enough away from Falcon Falls and all those flowers, Motto. Oh, wait. There are flowers right there.
This is really not good! You're not kidding! Let's go quick! Come on!
Just what is going on here, you guys?
Look, there are more of them!
Yikes, Motto!
They're everywhere!
Run, Motto!
It's no good here either!
They're here, too! I'm here, Motto! I'm so tired, Motto.
What is this about? Tell me.
Why can't we get away from all these stupid flowers? Come on!
Hold on! Look! Stop dragging me all over the place.
What?
I'm not going to take another step. Not until you tell me what all of this is about.
Yeah, but Klook...
No buts. I know you aren't just playing around with me or having fun. But please, you guys, tell me what's going on.
Well, all right. But look, it's very complicated, so hear us out.
Okay. Guess I can do that.
You know about the White Guardians, don't you?
Mm.
Then you're aware that their oracle has the ability to foresee the future. She came to find us because she had something important to tell us. And what she said affects you as well.
Motto! Look up there, you guys!
Huh?
Oh no! A white dragon!
Rhoda!
Legion of Elite Species!
Let's go!
We can't just leave! We have to evacuate everyone here!
No, Klook! You have to get out of here right away!
What? Why?
Because your life is in danger if you don't!
What?
That's right, Klook. That's why we came here, to save you.
So you mean... Purimura's prediction was about me? If I stay, then I'll die? I see. So that's what this is all about.
She said that in a place full of flowers, a white dragon will attack you, Motto. So we have to get you to a place without any flowers, Motto.
I can't.
Please, Klook. This whole thing isn't just about you anymore. This is something we have to do to prove we can change our destiny and make it into what we want.
Destiny?
This is where we want to be, right?
Yes, we're doing fine. What's wrong, Shu?
Be quiet. Who's there?
That's how you say hello to me?
I don't believe it.
Sabo!
Oh, Lady Purimura, I am so glad that you're safe. I've been looking all over for you.
You have?
You're not hurt, are you? And you have been getting enough to eat, haven't you?
Yes, I'm fine.
No.
We're now passing through point N022. We'll arrive at the sealed grounds in approximately 2 hours, sir.
Good. Any Legion of Elite Species activity?
None. They're not currently engaged in any activities that would be a threat to us, General.
With the final confrontation with the White Guardians looming before us, it's good that we don't have to divide up our forces.
I just had a thought. What if we took this chance to attack the White Guardian base in Nirvana?
Until we know what the White Guardian's ultimate objective is, I'm afraid it would be foolish to undertake such a reckless action.
Yes, sir.
And what of Delphinium's whereabouts?
They're currently unknown.
Where am I?
So, you're awake. You feel okay?
Where am I? And how did I ever come to be in a place like this anyway?
You really don't remember anything? Well, I found you collapsed in the forest. Luckily, I happened to be passing by and I rescued you.
Lord Deathroy, I understand now.
Bye-bye, human.
What? What's this?
The Legion of Elite Species! The organization that has decided to reject our very existence!
Well, well. So this power is really yours, then?
How dare you try to dismiss the strength of the soldiers of light! We have conquered the darkness!
So this is the extent of your power? I must say it's quite impressive. However... It's nothing compared to my power. You're hopeless against the Legion.
Ha ha ha! This wouldn't be any fun at all if it were that easy anyway.
You're all talk, even if you are at a higher level than before.
We're going to withdraw from this battle right now. But not before I tell you this one thing. The Legion of Elite Species made a grave mistake. And you're about to find yourself back tightly into a corner because of that miscalculation.
You're a fool. There's just no way that's ever going to happen.
Oh, yes, it will.
Huh?
And this is why... You've made me extremely angry.
This is going to be ever so much fun.
Now, Delphinium, are you listening to me? As your master, I order that from this moment onward, you shall focus on the Legion of Elite Species as your sworn enemy. You will eliminate them. Go and destroy the entire Legion.
I understand, Lord Deathroyd. I will eliminate them all. The entire Legion.
Bouquet?
Stop this, Rhoda! This is just plain wrong, and I know that you know it is too. You simply can't do this. I'm asking you to stop attacking us. Let's find a way to understand each other. That sound good?
I am afraid. There can be no negotiations.
What?
Humanity is the Legion's enemy.
You can't mean that.
We'll keep them busy here while you guys escape.
Go! This is your chance to run, guys!
Rhoda!
Hurry, Model!
Come on, let's go!
Your destruction begins now.
We can't hold her off for long at this rate, Model!
Hey, Bouquet, do you have any idea where we're running?
Nope, not a single one. All I know is we have to get someplace where there aren't any flowers.
Bouquet?
I know.
Huh?
That's what we'll do. It's all settled.
What is?
Where we're going. Right there. We'll hide in that mansion.
What?
Trouble!
It's over.
Who?
Huh? Andropov, Model!
Who are you?
Stay away from Kluk.
Rock weapon!
They escaped.
Model. You sure saved us, Andropov.
I don't think we're allowed to just walk in like this.
Don't worry about that. I mean, your life's at stake here.
Bouquet, we should go back now. We really should be helping the others out.
We can't. Not today. Listen, I promised Shu. I will save you. So please, just listen to what I'm telling you, okay?
Bouquet?
Like I said, this isn't just about you. we also have to find out if it's even possible to change our destiny. Trust me, all right?
I suppose.
Oh, what now? You have something else you want to say?
No, it's not that.
Well, what's up then?
It's that.
Ah! Oh, come on! They're here! And here too! And more there! Just hold on. I'll get rid of them all.
Okay.
At last we can relax!
I hope everyone's okay.
I think they're fine. You're the one that we need to be worrying about right now anyway, Klook.
What? Is something wrong?
This house might not work out after all. The wallpaper, the curtains, and the carpet. All of them are completely covered in flowers!
Okay.
What can I do? It's not fair!
Relax, Bouquet. Try to stay calm.
I can't. Wherever we go, there are flowers everywhere. So how am I supposed to stay calm?
But just look. Go on, look. Do you see?
Huh?
As far as I can tell, there aren't any flowers at all. You said we had to find some place where there aren't any flowers at all, isn't that right? Well, then this place should be perfect.
Thank you, Klook!
Sure thing.
I was nearly at the end of my rope. I didn't know what to do. There were flowers everywhere. If I failed, then you'd be...
Well, it's all okay now. Thank you, Bouquet.
Huh? Ow, 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 ow! Klook! No, it can't be.
A whole field of flowers.
Rhoda, no! I'm begging you, don't!
I believe that you have the wrong idea, Bouquet.
What?
All I did was administer trials to you. That's it. You were merely a subject to observe, and now you have become the Legion's enemy.
Not true! You may think we're enemies, but we can still find a way to understand each other. If we could just try, if we're only willing to take a chance and get to know each other, we'd be friends. I'm sure we would be if we tried.
This is the mission you have been assigned, and you will fulfill it.
Klook! Get away from her right now!
Rhoda, please! You don't have to do this!
No, Bouquet. It's too late. Listen to me carefully, Bouquet. Every one of you, you all died here.
I'm okay.
What?
Don't get involved in battles with the Legion. Understand?
Thank goodness, Mom!
Thanks so much, you guys.
And that's not all. We actually changed our destiny.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm alive.
Awesome!
All right, Motto!
We did it, Shu!
There they are. White Guardians. He's there. Dr. Tarkovsky is down there.
Yes.
We've received a report from the reconnaissance unit. The White Guardians have now reached the sealed grounds at point N000. We have a visual.
It seems that our information is accurate after all.
So it seems. Blandis, prepare to take the Sleipnir into battle.
Right.
All vessels, prepare to attack! Move in and surround the sealed grounds now!